or our government should have never said in public domain that they're going to audit them, because they have been given time to cover up what they want cover up and hide when they want to hide. Welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about JPS, and a long time people are wondering about JPS and how teeth them is, but I guess now people are just now realizing. I even saw a minister, someone in the politician, it was a lady, called JPS out on Twitter for her high light bill, but only when it start affecting them they try to change things. We can't tell this Jamaica pussy hole service. Anyways, let's get into this story. It says Kingston, Jamaica, the Office of Utilities Regulations is to audit Jamaica Public Service following widespread public complaints about exponential increases in electricity bills since COVID-19 outbreak. Speaking on nationwide radio interview this morning, Minister of Science, Energy and Technology Favor Williams said she made the request. The minister said the cabinet also requested officials from the energy monopoly to attend a meeting next Monday over the issue. These complaints are legitimate, and I am outraged that the JPS has allowed this to continue for so long without really responding in a tangible way to persons who have complained to them. People are already suffering from COVID-19 and many have lost their jobs. They don't know when they will be called back, and now to have the JPS pile on this on top of everything else, Williams lamented. She said that there have been complaints of disconnection when persons have paid what they can afford. Sometimes something is wrong at JPS, and I've indicated to the OUR that I am calling on them to initiate an audit and inquiry of the JPS. When the minister calls on the OUR to initiate an audit, it's serious. Members of the public have been complaining in the past few weeks about massive increases in their light bills. And honestly, it's not a past few weeks, a long time Jamaica people, they complain about Jamaica pussy hole service. I know just now, I know since COVID-19, but you guys weren't listening because it wasn't affecting you. Only never did get the $60,000 and $50,000 light bill out of nowhere. People know so they now use no $50,000 and $60,000 worth of light. But anyways, among those affected are Attorney General Merlene Malou Forte, a Jamaican sprinter, Asafa Powell. Malou Forte said her bill has increased by 1,000%. I've heard the complaints of so many about the huge JPS bills. No, I have received one which is totally out of whack with my pattern of consumption, with absolutely no change in the use that could cause an over 1,000 increase in the bill, she tweeted on Saturday. Her complaint followed a similar tweet by Powell, who last week joined calls echoing from the country for the light and power provider to adjust the spike in electricity bills. Last Tuesday, Powell said at my JPS online, "We're on really a go on with. My bill jumped from 20K each month. I've solar panel system set up. When we saw the first increase, we decided to purposely cut back on wasting, etc. to see if the bill would go down. Deliberate by you guys, plain and simple." In a response to Malou Forte, JPS said there are several variables impacting customer bills, so it's difficult to make general statements. Read what could have happened in the absence of a thorough investigation. Okay, really no. People actually went out and protest, and it's good to see them out and about and protesting something that is affecting them. However, I wanted to see more Jamaican people in this protest, and I'm gonna read about that protest too, about the Jamaica Pussy Hole service. But anyway, it says Scores of protesters are now gathering near the Jamaica Public Service Company's corporate office in New Kingston, where they're demonstrating against what they believe is a lack of transparency regarding how their electricity bills are being calculated. Chief organizer for the protest, Dr. Mark Ricketts, said consumers have taken the time and energy to join because they want to make a statement. The statement: ultimately, we feel we are being disadvantaged by the present arrangement that to obtain in the sector. JPS has been blasted by consumers in the past recent weeks over a spike in electricity bills. The Attorney General, Morley Fortu, was among Jamaicans who took to social media. Recently, it came out on social media from JPS that there are charges that we are being asked to foot, and we are ultimately absorbing the losses that JPS face from illegal connections. And it's unfair that we find it to be ultimately punishing the average man who is paying his light bill. He fumed at a placard bearing customer support. Several officials from JPS met with the protester but did not deter the efforts of those gathered to continue drawing attention to their dissatisfaction with the Light and Power Company. Motorists were encouraged to show solidarity by honking their horns. Dr. Ricketts said that while the group did not receive the level of support it had anticipated, he and his team intended to continue to register their concerns. If things don't change, there is always a possibility we will be back out again, he said. And if he does, I hope more people go and support this protest, because I know a long time then a thief Jamaica people money, and I just know. And it's very sad and unfair for people that are paying their bills to be having to pay for people that are stealing electricity. Very, very sad. And if they are losing, then that's their business. Jamaican people shouldn't be footing other people's bill that are stealing electricity. That don't seem fair. But comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. What do you think this audit is going to show? Because they have said that the OUR is going to audit the JPS to see what is actually going on. Do you think that the JPS that's another concern of mine. I feel like if they were going to audit the JPS, they should have actually not spoken about it in the public domain and just did it. Because now they have time to hide what they want to hide, cover up what they want to cover up. They have time. So comment in the comment section what you guys thoughts are. Do you think the audit is gonna show anything? Do you think that more Jamaicans need to be protesting on the high level of bills? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.